This week is National Forensic Science Week, and in our Hometown Heroes series, we're paying tribute to the men and women who serve people in our communities in this way. Here is a look at the Michigan State Police Marquette Forensic Lab. When you think of forensic science, it might be the shows you watch like Forensic Files, CSI, or Bones. But it's also happening at the Michigan State Police Marquette Forensic Lab, where everyday people in our community are working in that field.
We're one of 7 forensic laboratories in the state that provides forensic services to all of our local, state, and federal law enforcement partners.
The Marquette Forensic Lab is the only one in the UP and the smallest in the state, but it's work that's absolutely necessary in serving cases in the UP with 3 different disciplinaries.
In our laboratory, we do latent fingerprints, biology, and controlled substances. Our latent fingerprint unit, we not only accept evidence from our agencies for processing, but we also accept photographs and latent prints that we will then examine and either compare those to unknown suspects or subjects, as well as run them in APHIS in an attempt to identify a suspect. Our biology unit, I mentioned we do the BFI processing portion. So that's body fluid identification. So we process the evidence here, and then that evidence that is obtained is then sent to one of our laboratories that does DNA analysis, and then it's processed there for DNA. Basically, if they are able to obtain a sample, then a usable sample of DNA, then it'll often go to our CODIS unit and be run there. On our controlled substance side of the house, we process the whole gamut of controlled substances. So, and we do all of that here at the Marquette Forensic Laboratory.
Detective First Lieutenant Jason Welch has been in the field for about 25 years.
I came into the department as a trooper. I enlisted, but I always had an interest in the forensic side of the house, and knew eventually that's what I would want to do. Eventually became an evidence technician, and then worked my way into the laboratory.
Him and his team cover thousands of cases every year.
A lot of times people ask, well, what does the forensic lab respond to when our CSRT, which is our crime scene response team, goes out? And we normally only respond to homicide or suspicious death or some of your violent felonies. So, we really do end up responding to such a wide array of violent crime, and many of them are very large cases that sometimes even extend across state lines, etc. So,
making them the unsung heroes behind cases that some people might not even think about.
Basically, that's what the National Forensic Science Week is all about. It's recognizing the amazing job and accomplishments that our forensic scientists do each and every day. And what people don't realize is that the forensic services that we provide, just about in every type of criminal case, no matter what it is anymore, forensics touches that in some way or another, whether it's toxicology, biology, DNA, latent fingerprints, firearms, all of those type of cases, normally the forensic scientists and the practitioners are involved and play a big role in solving those crimes and bringing justice to our victims.